Hi guys, just a quick video for you today. As you know, or you might know if you watched some of my videos, I don't actually have a record player yet, but that could be about to change. I've been on eBay, found somebody selling a DJ style record player for £10, so I thought, why not? Even if I have to replace the needle, you know, no brainer really. I've got it here. It's been boxed in an Amazon, reused Amazon box. So let's have a look inside. Okay. Yeah, it's got a bit of bubble wrap on it to protect it. Platter looks kind of small. There doesn't seem to be any cables in the box. I'll have to get some cables for it. It seems to be lacking a tone arm, completely missing the tone arm. So I'm not quite sure if I'm going to have to complain about this, I think, really, because you'd expect there to be a tone arm on it. Platter spins. It seems to have some buttons on the platter. Hang on a minute. This is one of them game controllers, isn't it? I've been had. Can't believe it.